Ever wonder why your stomach growls so loud it sounds like a demon waking up? Here's what's actually happening. It's not your stomach screaming for food. It's your intestines running a cleaning cycle. Your digestive system constantly squeezes and pushes air, liquid, and leftover food through your gut, even when it's empty. That squeezing motion is called peristalsis. When there's food in there, it muffles the sound. But when you're hungry, it's mostly air, and air gets loud. So that dramatic rumble, it's basically your intestines sloshing gas around like a biological washing machine, which means your stomach isn't yelling at you, it's just doing maintenance.